In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set eToro minimum deposit amount. To get started, sign into your eToro account. Make sure you're using the correct login page and wait until your dashboard fully loads before moving on. This helps avoid clicking the wrong menu or missing an option if the page is still refreshing. Once you're inside your account, look over to the left-hand menu and click Deposit Funds. This is the section where you begin adding money to your account, and it's where you'll be able to check whether the amount you want to add meets the platform's minimum requirement. After that, enter the amount you want to deposit. Type in the exact amount you plan to fund your account with. As you do this, pay close attention to the currency shown on the screen, since the minimum deposit requirement can depend on the account settings or region. It's a good idea to double-check the number before continuing so you don't accidentally enter too little or too much. Next, review the minimum requirement shown by eToro. This is the key part of the process. You want to confirm that the amount you entered is high enough to meet the minimum deposit threshold. If the amount is below the required minimum, the platform may not let you continue until it's corrected. If needed, adjust the amount. Simply increase the number until it satisfies the minimum deposit requirement. Take your time here and make sure the final amount is one you're comfortable depositing. The goal is to meet the minimum while still staying within the budget you intended to use. Once the amount is correct, select your preferred payment method. Choose the funding option that works best for you from the available choices in your account. Depending on your location, you may see different payment methods, so just pick the one you normally use or the one that's most convenient. Then click Continue to move forward with the deposit process. This takes you to the next stage, where eToro will guide you through the final confirmation steps. From there, complete the deposit by following the on-screen prompts. Review the details carefully, confirm the payment information, and submit the deposit. After everything is processed, your account should be funded based on the amount you entered and approved. And that's it. You've now learned how to set your deposit amount while making sure it meets eToro's minimum requirement. Thanks for watching.